Hi, I know you can't see me, but you can hear me. Or now you can see me, but it's dark. Alright, this is Eddini's Challenge Handcuff Act. Now, Harry Houdini used to go into police stations. They used to strip him naked, and they would do a full body search. Doctors would. They would put him in their own handcuffs and lock him in a jail cell, and he would escape. You know. And these days, you know, not only would they search him, I mean behind the ears, the rectum, between the toes, everywhere, they would wand him as well. And there are some modern day escape artists that do that. And I have done that with someone else's handcuffs. It was a police explorer, which is a junior cop. She searched me and patted me down and everything down in Florida for a class. And here I am with my own handcuffs. I wish they would have searched me a little better, but everything is examinable. Anyway, enjoy this. This is the same place where I did the underwater pool in Florida. I was 17. It's funny, the dogs start going at it.
Look, I can barely get your throw into the little bracket. There, now I got Charlie's throw in the bracket.
This was before I went outside and did the pool escape.
Hey, Amy. Okay. Yeah, let me go back.
I'm Eddini. I'm going to see if I can do a little escape Eddini used to do. You got a bunch of people here examining handcuffs. Now I need someone to play a cop for me. Mr. B! Mr. Lee! See if you can see any keys on me whatsoever. No keys. No, I don't. Nothing in my mouth. We'll check him. Don't stare at it. You have to check him.
Like I said, they could have done a little better job. That's a funny little joke I did.
Oh, keep my secret a secret. I'm going to get covered up with this, but this can be examined. Make sure no hidden keys or lockpicks in there. Hey, Alright, who has the leg shackles? We'll start with there first. Alright. We'll apply them to my legs. Or apply them. Yeah.
Apply them, that is funny.
Hey, don't move over so I can see.
Comes in my pocket. Run tighter. Feel me see them handcuffs? You've been hit by that. Oh. Two pair. Got 4 more to go.
I get shackled up good.
Alright? Yeah, we're not going to handcuff that.
I even get thumb cuffed.
Alright, Lindsay, move over, move over to the side so I can see.
No, I told Dodger. Oh, Dodger the other one. I got the leg shackles on there. Mike on ice. Here you go. What do you want?
We invited these kids to a party and then...
Around there. You want one on that and one on your... Really? This isn't a bondage thing. This is a... Ah! Gee!
What did you think was going to happen?
Why don't you tell me ahead of time?
Why?
Just keep it a couple inches away from the head.
I was going to carry it out there to the pool.
No, he's not doing the pool one yet.
Oh, okay.
It's a different one.
You got just 18 seconds to pool one.
Hey, Doc.
Yeah?
No, I wouldn't dare go in the pool with all those.
Here, let me toss the ball. You got the thumbs. All right.
Even thumb cuffed.
picture of Charlie's answers.
Hey, now you're man. Cat keys, hold the keys up. We need the keys. No keys on me, what's for? Alright, now this blanket has been searched, am I right? Exactly. Cover me up good.
We love that dog, too. Pretty good.
Every escape artist, they have like in a cabinet or it's an enclosure. And look, I already got out of the thumb ones. They were thrown out. The enclosure keeps the escape a secret. Dogs are funny. The big dog's a female, the little dog's a male.
Alright, now, not now, come on. Thanks, Jeff, Dad. What are you doing with sugar? Maggie, Chip, back up. There we go. I'm good, Mark. Alright. Easy, did. You ain't moving.
Yes, I died and came back to life.
Sounds like you're having a good time.
I was having an awesome time.
Ta-da! Oh! Not a key to be found.
Wonderful. Terrific, marvelous, fantastic.
Carry the wand.
And that is the Eddini Handcuff Escape Act. Thank you. God bless.